And in France, my mother had 2 children by that time, had no profession that she could earn easily money on. She had been a teacher of embroidery made with Singer machines, and she didn't know French, so ended up doing piecemeal work. She borrowed money to buy a machine, did some piecemeal work, but didn't have enough money to really have us with her. Mm-hmm. So we were housed in a children's home for children that had either lost their parents during the war or were partially displaced and semi-orphan. And that, paradoxically, I was 4 or 5 years old, was a period of my life that I remember absolutely fondly, because I had a great time there. It was with groups. It had teachers or volunteer teachers that were young, beautiful, really concerned with the kids.
This was in Nice?
In France, in Nice, yes. And one of the incredible elements is that the monitrice, the woman that took care of us, whose name was Grete, was German and was from a left-wing family in Germany. The man that was her partner, then her husband, was a Jew that had escaped from concentration camp. And I remember her as magical. And one of the things that happened is later on I learned that she had lived some serious trauma during the war. She was still extremely young and had been probably forced to go to the Hitler Jugend at the time. And to a certain extent, her meeting that Jew and becoming his partner was trying to compensate for, and tragically ended up committing suicide. However, recently, I discovered that she had kids, and I met with one of her sons, who she gave my name to. It's very emotional to me. So I have another Micha named after me in Paris. But I found it tragic that that woman committed suicide.